we are talking about railway station redevelopment when we are talking about this mobility and public places and all those things. So this particular presentation is based on these areas from the previous era to today. हममें बहुत लोगों ने ये छुच्छू गाड़ी देखी होगी. So this was 1855, and how this from that to today the transformation is happening and transformation is done. I'll just go through a very quick introduction on these things. So from Indian Railway, this total track length is 126,366 km with 7,335 stations. So redevelopment is happening in 7,335 locations. So this is the potential which is happening, and presently already more than 500 stations are under development. And now this is, I'm just dividing it into this few areas. Pre-independence, 1853 to 1947. So this was a train engine, and from 1853 to 1900, passenger rail services it all got started, and 1901 to 25 moves towards centralization, and then the electrification and hard lines like 25 to 1946 happened. So these are the 5 areas of transformation in Indian Railways. One is locomotive. You can see the steam engine to electric engine in this particular era. This was just that era. Then the rail coach, how the rail coaches from that particular wooden benches to small AC and non-AC bogies started. You can see the ticketing system from the printed one to the manual made tickets. Then the platforms, how this CSMT in 1853 to Alipore 1944, how the platforms started going, and the station buildings. See the church gate in 1870, Howrah in 1908, and Jhansi in 1946. You'll see how the transformation is happening. So this was post-independence Churchgate station. You must have seen the Churchgate station now. Any of you Churchgate station now? Okay, so you can now see the difference. So the impact was like 1947, these 2 major lines, this Bengal, Assam and Northern Western Railways and all those things were happening. I'll be very quick actually because I have a time of very less time has been given to me. Now from that particular the component, which is the locomotive design to rail coach to ticketing to platform to station buildings. Actually हुआ क्या है और railway station में हो क्या रहा है? The platforms and the areas where public is supposed to be stationed during the this traveling, that everything is not getting changed from platform to the concourses to the buildings. Station buildings are now getting transformed. From that Churchgate building to this New Delhi station in 1956, which was done in this particular year. Now you can see a modern building which is getting from the small entry station to the larger stations. The technology and phasing out steam, it happened in 1981 to year 2000. From steam engine to this diesel engine to other things. And this was the station which used to see, and I'll show how it is getting transformed. Now, then 21st century, when we are moving online, 2001 to 2014, we must have seen the installation of escalators, escalators, lifts, those particular technologies getting involved in all the stations. Then the introduction of 2001 was the introduction of metro in totality. And then the expansion, then the electrification, these things happened onwards. And now see the locomotives. From this metro locomotive to rail coach, these double-decker and Shatabdis, Rajdhani trains, then coming to the app-based ticketing system, Then to the platforms. Platform has got lot of space, small shops, restaurants that get started happening, and the station building. This Sawai Madhopur metro station been sprouting upon so much advanced system with technology, with construction, specifications, security and all those things. And then it comes out to be the Amrit era, which call it 2015 onwards. So this was the first station. Most of you people may be understanding this station in Habibganj, Bhopal. Many of you must have visited this station. This is the first station under major upgradation of railway stations. And now what is happening is RRTS, DFC, high-speed rails, and the new system which is coming up so fast. Now if you see this particular slide from locomotive Vande Bharat, the first generation train completely run in India, then the Vande Bharat second generation, then the Namo Bharat, and the Amrit Bharat. These are the trains which are not, these are transformation. I am talking about the transformation of Indian Railways. So from those bogies, even the first Shatabdi which came from some other country, imported for India and run between Delhi and Lucknow. That was the first Shatabdi which was purely imported. Now these are the trains which are definitely made completely made in India. The rail coach, the Gatiman coach, then Vande Bharat coach, Amrit Bharat coach. These are the coaches which has been transformed. Ticketing definitely till now, the kiosk-based ticketing system, those things are happening. And the platforms are completely transforming. What is happening in platform? The previous pictures you have seen the clutter and the lot of people sitting on the platform, sleeping all over the place. Now they have been given a proper space to stay, to wait, because the technology is also getting improved. They are getting information. They are getting the details of the platform, bogies, and everything, and the station buildings, Habibganj and Gandhinagar. Now Gandhinagar station is already having a 5-star hotel above the tracks. So from those, that Churchgate to this particular area, and the current initiative. This is my project. This is upcoming Mathura railway station. This is a very small.
Largest network in the world. 8 billion passengers carried every year. 8 billion. 22,000 plus trains every day. 22,000 plus trains every day. 7,300 stations. Now, how do you transform a network of this complexity, of this magnitude? We have 1.2 million employees. This is Prayagraj, a station where when Kumbh happens,
this Prayagraj is also done by us.
In a single day 10 million people. On a single day you get 10 million people. How do you design a station for that kind of volume? Phenomenal challenge, but the teams have delivered. Work has started on this, tenders awarded 4-5 months back, work has started on this. Again, huge thinking has gone into creating space where that peak traffic of 10 million people, on a single day can be managed in a very effective way. Chandigarh,
so again,
I can show you multiple pictures. All these are the places where work has started.
So this ideation is now come up to this stage when we are actually able to see the transformation. So these are when we talk about the railway station in general, we talk about the multimodal integration of what? Network, the wayfinding, definitely the security aspect which was just discussed, and the fare, then regulated traffic movement. And the biggest challenge is the control of the movement, the people who are actually traveling all across the station building, the parking system, dedicated bays, everything is getting organized in most of the stations. Then segregating passenger movement, like incoming passenger, outgoing passengers, definitely it's not possible like the airports we do, but definitely is coming up in most of the railway stations. The large functional zones, this is actually happening. These kind of the public areas is getting created above the railway station. World-class facilities is a part of it, lounges, coffee and all those places. And definitely when we are talking about such a huge development, sustainability, the challenges, the kind of spaces you have, definitely accordingly you have the opportunities also. And they improved revenue generation through all these material parking, signboards, and then commercial activities. And the last part is opportunities. I'm definitely taking up quite quick. So now this is the opportunity chart for all the architects who are sitting out here, and they can definitely be shared when we have a redevelopment of major railway stations, Amrit Bharat stations, then DFCs, then Gati Shakti, new trains, new railway corridors. Everything is coming up in a huge manner. So this is the opportunities. These are a lot of news. Everything is in news. A lot of newspapers, TV channel. Everything has been covered. You can see the entire media is being covered by this development. And definitely thank you so much for hearing me.